It's a little bit harder to judge the distance with the landing lights.
Yeah.
Number 6 Atmosphere, just go around.
Going around 6 Atmosphere.
So, and once they landed, and tower told them turn left or right on Kilo, because usually they always turn right on Kilo, on this taxiway Kilo here, then we request left close traffic and we fly on normal traffic pattern.
Okay.
Approach 26 right, clear to land, 6 Atmosphere.
Clear to land.
Yep. 26 left.
26 left.
Turn right
Right on Kilo, then ground.
That's what they always tell them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So, is it possible to request now?
Yes.
Okay.
Tell Long Beach Tower, helicopter 80. Now we were to land. Yep.
That's cross traffic.
Now we will have to wait.
Pad 3, clear for takeoff, Midwest Coast traffic.
Yeah, for takeoff, helicopter 74426.
Suppose they were faster than we were?
Yeah. So we're gonna wait for the 426 and request again?
Yes, but then the landing traffic will be too close, so we will not be able to get takeoff.
Yeah.
Because tower will probably tell them hold west of runway 30.
Yeah.
And if we want to take off, they would also tell us hold west, and then could be, pretty. When usually they don't want to have two helicopters in the same.
Yeah.
When it's the time to hold west.
Southwest 2497, Long Beach Tower, runway 30, clear to land.
When I can request the
Helicopter 426, expedite downwind, hold east of runway 30.
Hold it at all runway 30, helicopter 74426.
Number 670, turn left, Kilo 2, contact ground.
Now we are going to turn left.
turn left?
Yeah, you will see we have two landing traffic now.
Yeah.
This is usually a time where we have a lot of traffic coming in.
Tower 170, following southwest, visual 30.
170, Long Beach Tower, number 2, runway 30, clear to land.
Number 230, clear to land, 170.
This is why it's always, as soon as you have a tent, we request our traffic pattern.
Yeah. Is that a two airplane?
Yes.
Wow.
Two, I think the first one is Southwest and the other one I believe I heard Hawaiian Airlines.
Hawaiian.
Yep. Let's get a little bit higher here.
Higher.
Because we drifted away from pad 4.
Yeah.
Okay, and let's go back over number 4. Yeah.
For here?
Yes, exactly. Let's see if we get the takeoff clearance when the Swan landed.
Okay.
You say Long Beach Tower, Helicopter 83 Hotel, pad 4, request left close traffic.
Yeah.
That looks pretty close already.
Southwest 2497, turn right kilo, contact ground.
Kilo ground, Southwest 2497.
No, this is too close now because they also, 426 also scares to keep
hold
circling.
east.
Yeah.
Number 1967 Sierra, Long Beach Tower, standby. Landing traffic runway 30.
Okay, now we see that they're landing. Now let's turn to the right so that we get ready.
Yep.
No warning lights towards the green.
Pad 3 clear to land, Helicopter 7426.
Right pedal turn.
Yeah, right pedal turn.
So that we are getting ready. Yep, it was Hawaiian.
Hawaiian.
Yep, Hawaiian Airlines.
170, are you able to make a left turn on the runway 26 right? If unable, then left turn Alpha.
Yeah, left turn Alpha, 170.
170, turn left Alpha and contact ground.
Left Alpha over ground, 170.
Okay.
Long Beach Tower, Helicopter 83 Hotel, pad 4, request left core traffic.
November 67 Sierra, make right close traffic, runway 26 right. Clear for takeoff.
This is right for takeoff, 67 Sierra.
Helicopter 83 Hotel, left close traffic, pad 4, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, pad 4, Helicopter 83 Hotel.
Okay, so here, careful with the pedals. More left pedal here.
Yeah, more left pedal.
Yep. Because we have a little bit of the left crosswind, so...
Yeah.
So this is at the beginning, we need more left and right pedals that we keep our nose straight here, so 40 knots.
40 knots.
Aft cycling that we have our, so once we have 40 knots, aft cycling is for a 60 knot pitch attitude and raise collective to our 5-minute takeoff power.
Okay.
Right. Again? 28 kilo 1 for 26 right.
And here you want to stay inside here, so that you're not getting too close to runway 26.
Okay.
28. Proceed on runway 26 right from kilo 1, hold short runway 30.
Goal is 60 knots here.
Yeah.
Clear right,
Light,
clear
left, forward.
Helicopter 83 Hotel, pad 4, clear to land.
Pad 4 clear to land, Helicopter 83 Hotel.
Here, 500 feet, and we want to speed up to 70 knots.
70 knots.
Yep. Clear right,
Light,
clear left.
left, forward.
Now, normal downwind here.
Okay.
67 Sierra on request.
So here we are a little bit high, 500 feet, 70 knots.
Yeah, 500 feet.
Car
70
pitch
knots.
comes up on downwind, and then we do a gauge check.
Okay. 123 green, F center, carb time is out of yellow, no warning light, no caution light, type is green. knots.
Here a little bit more to the left, that
okay.
it's here we cannot see it anymore, so that we align with the street with the trees.
Yeah.
So that we are not too close to runway 26 left. Okay, normal approach again, so that we get used to pad 4 in the dark.
Okay.
So here we slow down to 60 knots, 500 feet.
Lights, left,
clear right, clear
forward.
left, clear forward. Now roll in, lower collective,
continue forward.
so that we start our descent here.
Descending here.
Yep. So roll out here.
67 Sierra, you can plan for short approach. His vehicle doing a runway inspection. Understand?
No, it's okay, 1360.
Here we are a little bit high, we have 400 feet. We actually want to be 300 feet when we roll out on final. And then we want to have our fast walking pace.
Fast walking pace.
Here we have to be careful. We see there is a southwest right in front of us.
Altitude 28 CV Alpha.
So we don't want to get too low here.
Too low? Okay.
67 Sierra, short approach through runway 26 right, clear to land.
Let's slow down here.
Slow
It's
down.
going to be more of a steep approach now. So it's a really steep approach now.
426 at pad 3, we get left cross traffic.
Now here, slow down.
Pad 3, clear
We're
for
going to do a
takeoff.
steep approach here.
Steep approach.
Steep approach?
Helicopter 7446.
Because we were too high here. Okay,
Yeah.
so now steep approach, not more than 300 feet, a little bit forward cyclic, that we
Yeah.
slowly walk it down.
Yeah. I can feel the vibration.
We have the vibrations here, so
Yeah.
we want to keep our forward cyclic here, so that we
Forward
keep
cyclic.
our forward movement,
For move.
and not more than 300 feet per minute descent rate here.
Okay.
Keep your forward cyclic here.
For cycling.
Tower West 33 will be ready at the end.
A little bit more forward cyclics, that we are,
Go 32 long, roger.
because we were at 400 feet, that we really keep our 300 feet